Hi guys, this is your Module 1 video. Module 1 is the rhetorical analysis module, and everything in this module is working toward completing the final draft of this assignment. So you're going to start by going to Modules. Let me turn my student preview mode on. So you'll start by going to Modules, and then all you can see right now is the rhetorical analysis module. So this is a brief overview of the assignment. So for this assignment, you will choose a scholarly article written in your field of study. So that means whatever it is you plan on majoring in at a four-year university, whatever job it is you plan on having. And write a paper that analyzes how the author's writing strategies help to persuade other scholars to believe her overall argument. To do this, you'll analyze the author's use of the rhetorical appeals and her use of the valued writing conventions within her discipline, within your discipline, since scholarly articles are written for other scholars in the same field of study who also value those writing conventions. So when you click into this module, you'll see it separated by weeks. If you go into the materials folder, you'll see all of the primary assignment sheets and all of the task assignment sheets. So let me explain that. So this file here is the primary assignment sheet, the rhetorical analysis assignment sheet. I'm going to explain a little bit more what a rhetorical analysis is. First of all, here we have some definitions. Make sure you read through all of this, but I'm going to go over just a couple of them. First definition is rhetoric. Rhetoric is the art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing. So we're analyzing that. So what we're doing is analyzing a scholarly article and the author's persuasiveness. So how well does that author persuade her audience, which consists of other scholars in that same field, to believe what she's saying? You're going to analyze that by analyzing both the writing conventions, like does the author use valued writing conventions within that field? And you're going to analyze the rhetorical appeals, which are ethos, pathos, and logos. And you'll get into that later in this module. Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll see a section called Criteria for Success. This explains what your final draft should contain and look like. So we have the number of sources, what you should do in your introduction with your thesis statement, how you should organize your body and your body paragraphs, and then what you should do for your conclusion and citation page, as well as the link here. So make sure you're following this as you write both your rough draft and your final draft. But before you write your rough draft and final draft, there are some tasks to complete. So on the assignment sheet, we have all of the tasks, step-by-step instructions for what you should do as you go through this module, as you complete this final draft of the rhetorical analysis. So choose a topic, then choose your primary article, and then you're going to write a proposal, the rhetorical analysis proposal. Then you're going to complete the rhetorical analysis worksheet, write a rough draft, do a peer review, do a writer center session, write your final draft, and then finally do a self-reflection about the whole assignment. These are step-by-step instructions for how to complete this assignment. But only some of these will be turned in. For example, you're not going to turn in your topic. You will, but your topic and your primary article will be combined into your proposal. So let me explain that. On your syllabus, scroll down, we have what's called pre-writing assignments. So all of the pre-writing assignments are working toward specifically writing your final draft. So your proposal proposes your topic. Your outline, if we have an outline for that assignment, outlines your paper. Your worksheet helps you think of main points for your paper. And a writer center session helps you revise your rough draft. So all of those pre-writing assignments are listed on your primary assignment sheet. proposal worksheet, etc. However, you'll also have daily grade assignments that are not listed on your assignment sheet because they're not working specifically toward your final draft. What those assignments are doing are they are helping you just learn concepts that will help you eventually with your final draft, but they're not directly related to your final draft. Okay. And so you'll find all of those assignments and the pre-writing assignments and the final draft assignments listed on your schedule in the assignments due column. So icebreaker discussion board, syllabus quiz, rhetorical appeals discussion board, rhetorical appeals quiz, and then we won't get to a pre-writing assignment until the proposal there. Okay, and then we'll do paraphrasing discussion board, practice discussion board, and then another pre-writing assignment, the worksheet, pre-writing rough draft, peer review, final draft, writer-centered comments, and self-reflection. And that is all part of Module 1. So we have the module column here. Notice that I've merged the cells until we get to the end of Module 1. So all of these things are contained within the rhetorical analysis module. And I have separated these into their specific weeks. These weeks match up with the weeks on this schedule. And if you click into one of these weeks, I have listed the things you should complete in the order that you should complete them. You should have written a visual rhetorical analysis for English 111. If you didn't do that, you probably wrote some sort of visual analysis. It's similar concepts, but we're analyzing a piece of writing for this assignment, specifically a scholarly article, because that aligns with the course objectives for this class. Which is to analyze writing within different fields of study and specifically your own field of study. From here, make sure you complete week 1's assignments, which don't specifically have anything to do with the rhetorical analysis. They're just to get you introduced into the course, and you'll begin working on understanding rhetorical analysis in week 2. Please do not hesitate to email me with any questions at all. I respond to emails quickly, and I look forward to reading your work.